Alright guys, so we're on site and you can see the ceiling is drying out nicely in here. It's quite warm, so it's drying out quite quickly. What today's jobs are, we're going to fit the shower screen, which we're going to do now. And we've also got Mr. A is going to fill up around the frame some cement. And then we're going to plasterboard around that as well today. So that's one of the jobs today. And gonna try and do some connections, more connections, connect up the wastes for these. That one's done already. We need to do the waste for the B there as well. Yeah, so just gonna do a couple of jobs. Let's do some silicone in, sealing up. Also gonna fit these shower heads on today as well. It's another job to do. Yeah, so let's get on with it.
That one will be the screw on the side, you know, inside like the last one, that's bathroom, then three, yeah, pass this, yeah.
I don't know.
You are doing nothing.
Everyone asking questions about you. They don't ask questions about me.
Right.
So, alright. So that's all cemented up. And now Mr. H just put some plasterboard up in there for us. Get that nice and ready for tiling. Job done. So we've fitting the frame in there now. I'm just ready to put the sliding door, put all the seals on, and the shower doors done. Looking nice.
So that's it here today, guys. It's lunchtime now. We're going to shoot off for lunch, and then we've got our concrete coming down the other side. So yeah, after lunch we're heading straight down to the garden house build. So make sure you keep watching to see the concrete pour at the garden house. Alright guys, so it's lunchtime. Off to get some lunch, and then we've got to get down to the garden house because our concrete will be there in the next half an hour. So yeah, we're just gonna grab something to eat, and we'll be down there in a bit. Today's lunch, Caribbean. See what they got today. So today we're eating here, Good Life Jerk Center. There's some good stuff in here. What we're having today?
What do you have? Dumplings, fried dumplings. One of that, please. And one drink.
Soup of the day for me, chicken soup.
Tea.
£3.50, not bad either. What are you having, Mr. B? What are you having today? What are you having today?
Some pork.
Well, you said you wasn't having jerk pork.
So bad.
Jerk pork.
Pork.
Chicken soup for me. Alright guys, so we are at the garden house and we've been getting in our measurements for our foundations and we're ready to go. Our concrete truck is actually here. He's waiting, but the pump guy is not here yet. So we're just waiting for the pump guy to turn up and we're ready to go. So we've done these all the way around here. We've checked all our levels and because this ground does slope down there, we're gonna step the foundation. So this is where we're stepping this side, as you can see. So concrete goes up to the level of this plate here, and then there's another plate which is 150 mil lower. It runs down to there. It runs here all the way around and meets plate on the other side. Same thing over there with a step on that side. So we're literally waiting for concrete guy now. We're ready to go. So guys, we're still waiting for our concrete. It's about 3:30 now and we've been here since 2 o'clock. But it is a 2-hour slot for the concrete, so it's any time between 2 and 4 for the concrete. Funny enough, the concrete is actually here. That's the concrete truck right there. So he's here, but we're just waiting for the pump guy who's coming from somewhere else. So we've been told he was in Mitcham about 10 minutes ago, so he might be in half an hour. So hopefully he'll be here by 4 o'clock, 3:45 maybe. And hopefully it shouldn't take us too long because it's getting dark quite quickly now. So hopefully we get this done before 5 o'clock. I can't imagine it'll take us that long. We're all ready to go, really, literally just ready to, depends on how long he takes to set up his pump and all that stuff, but we're ready to go. So yeah, hopefully it'll be another 10-15 minutes and we can get this concrete done. Yeah, so our pipe is finally here. He got here just after 4. As you can see, they're running the pipes.
When you finish, when you take to the level, just let us before, let me know before. We have to clean the pump.
So we're going to start from the top and run the concrete down. So basically one truck mixes and then he pours it into the other truck and then that other truck pumps it all the way down the back. So I'll just show you guys the lines. So this is the line. We're about 50 meters or something like that, about 50 meters or so, and it's running all the way down. So it's starting to get dark, the sun is setting, but it should take about 10 minutes. So it's expensive, but it cuts out a lot of the working time. So you can see the pipe here, a bit of flexi, runs up here, and it's going to run into the back, and then we'll move it when we need to get the concrete somewhere else.
You turn on your flash. Oh no, that one's going to take a free there.
Alright, we're just waiting for this concrete to start coming out. It's getting dark. So it's coming. Ooh, there we go. That's the slurry. And that is just to prime the pipe. Yeah, this is just a slurry to prime the pipe. Oh, the concrete's coming now. Alright. So he's making it a bit wetter so we can run down. Nice and easy. And Mr. A is going to spread that down as well. Yeah. You can see it running around this side as well. You can see it running down there.
Huh? You want that? I got that already? Yeah. Don't get him putting a big portion.
Get still so in down there, man. Oh no, the corner down there building up too. Yeah.
Alright guys, our concrete is done. You can't really see it obviously because it's 5:20 dark, because obviously the guy got here so late, so it was a bit of a nightmare rushing to try and get it done. But you can see it a bit better here. We managed to get it done anyway. All the way around there in the middle as well. Down here. All the way down here.
I like so we did it at the back of the house there.
And one there.
And I bet that person got it well light up there.
And all the way up there. So that's it guys. So now we can go home. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Have a great weekend. We'll see you guys soon.